stuck editing products in Hostinger? I know exactly how that feels. You add a product, you get it looking good, and then you realize you need to change the price or add a new color option, and suddenly you are just clicking around hoping to find the right menu. So frustrating. I am going to show you exactly where to click to change pricing, options, and everything else. We will start from your main product list, then I will walk you through each editable section one step at a time. By the end, you will know exactly where every single detail lives. First, open up your Hostinger website builder. You need to be on that main editing screen where you see your whole site laid out. Now look over on the left-hand sidebar. You want to find the shopping cart icon. It looks like a little cart with a plus sign on it. Click on that. That will bring up a menu. From there, click on the option that says Sell. That is where your products live. You will see a list of all your current products now. Go ahead and highlight the specific product you want to edit. Just click on it to select it. Once it is highlighted, a little edit button should appear. Click that button to open the full product editor. Alright, now we are inside the product editor. Look at the tabs along the top. Click on the one that says Product. This is your main control center for the product itself. Right at the top here, you can change the product name. Just click into that field and type whatever new name you want. Scroll down just a little bit, and you will find the product description. This is where you tell people what the item is all about. Click inside that box and update your text as needed. Keep scrolling. You will see the section for product images. You can click on the existing image to replace it, or use the upload button to add new ones. This is a great place to swap in a better photo if you have one. Now look for a section that might say Missing Description. If you see one, click on it. This is an extra field that helps with search results, so go ahead and fill that in with a short, clear summary of the product. Almost done with the basics. Now click on the Pricing tab. Here you can adjust the price. Just type in the new amount. You can also change the currency setting right here if you need to. Make sure you hit Save or Apply when you are done. Next, click on the tab that says Additional Info Sections. This is where you can add details like dimensions, weight, or materials. It is perfect for products that need a little more explanation. Now click on the Options tab. This is where things get fun. If you sell shirts, for example, you can set up size or color options here. Just add your variations and fill in the details for each one. After that, click on Custom Field. This lets you add extra fields that are unique to your product, maybe a gift message box or a personalization note. You can create whatever you need here. Finally, click on the Categories tab. This is how you organize your products on your site. You can assign this product to an existing category or create a new one right here. And that is it. You now know exactly where every single piece of product information lives inside Hostinger. Go ahead and make those changes, hit that Save button, and your site is all set.